Can someone please explain to me the Papa Wheelie friggin' look that people seem to think is cool on trucks? Because I don't understand the reason of putting a lift kit on the front only. Or if you're really cheap, you just lower the back because you can't afford a lift. I don't understand the truck craze. So I'm more of a muscle car guy, but I mean, the saggy ass, no muffler, big tip, mud tires on the street thing, I just don't get it. Oh God, it's early in the morning. I can't believe this many people are here, but time to get the workout on. Alright, just wrapping up here at Wells Fargo. Got a couple of checks here. It appears that right after my wife passed away, her mom had nothing better to do than to go to her bank and take out all the money that was left. Well, seeing how she wasn't entitled to that money, Wells Fargo has issued me 2 cashier's checks to close out the account, and I'll let them deal with the legal ramifications of dealing with her mom for fraudulently taking out the money. Alright, gonna go here to Bed Bath & Beyond for a minute. Girlfriend's birthday is this weekend, so like right after Christmas, then her birthday, so I gotta go get her a gift. Good Friday morning, everybody. It is 1:25 in the morning and I'm still up. I messed up, took a nap, really overslept on that, and now I have to kind of make up for lost time, and I really wanted to hit the gym, but I am like feeling beat, and I'm like leaving work and going right to the girlfriend, so that means a little extra work for me tonight. I have to do all my laundry, have to do a litter box, get them clean, and make sure all the animals have plenty of food and water to last them for the weekend. Which is not a big deal, normal routine, so nobody's going to get hungry or thirsty. So don't worry about that. So up here getting some camera gear ready for whatever's going to happen this weekend. It's her birthday, got a nice dinner planned, got reservations booked, and we'll see where that goes. So anyhow, as it stands right now, I just really need to get to bed, and that's the update for Friday morning. Ooh! New little radar detector already saving me. There he is. Good January 15th, 2018. Already halfway through January. Sorry I haven't even posted anything. This little camera here that I use for vlogging, and actually every GoPro, I have 3, I left at my fiance's house over the past weekend when I went there, so I didn't have any of my equipment all week. I did stop by her place midweek and picked everything up, but busy with some other stuff and just never really got around to pulling the memory card out of this to even see what I filmed. So I'm kind of right now at 2 weeks clueless as to what the beginning of the vlog is gonna look like, which I know doesn't make sense now because you're watching it's all pieced together, but that's where I'm at now. I don't even know where anything's at, but all I can tell you is got some news to put out. I'm going to do on a separate vlog. Let you guys know what's happened over the past 2 weeks. Kind of, like I said, I don't know what's on here. So, go through that. I still have to make a video of my 2017 that I want to do. And I think that's about it. So, other than that, car of the past 2 weekends that I decided to drive was my little HHR, which I know I've never really gone into any detail, I don't think, about this little car. You know, if you've seen it in some of my other vlogs, you can kind of tell it's somewhat modified. So here's the deal with this little car. It's a 2006. We bought it brand new. Actually got it for my late wife because it was easy for her to get another cop in and out of. But the trailer hitch on this wasn't strong enough for the wheelchair lift. Man, where's this guy going? Oh, he's way down there. So then after that, after she got a Chevy Equinox that was suitable for that, I kind of started driving. I actually didn't even drive this thing for a while. It sat for quite a bit, and I drove this old Chevy Celebrity that we had until this thing sat in the garage so long it wouldn't even start. And I was like, you know, I kind of got a newer car. It gets better gas mileage. Maybe I should start driving. And I've really been kind of doing it ever since. And I drove the Celebrity because I didn't want to put miles on my GTO. So everything... But anyways, kind of just a plain little car. So one of the first things I did is I put some iBox sport springs, lowered it down 1 inch in the front, 1.5 inches in the rear to give it a level stance. Did the iBox sway bars, increased or stiffer in the front, and this didn't even have a back anti-sway bar at all, so it was a total addition to the back. And I always wanted to do like a supercharger. ZZ Performance had a supercharger kit available for this car, and I always spent my money on something else and never did buy the kit. So in hopes of doing that, when I broke the downpipe there in the flex joint, it cracked and I had to replace it. So instead of going with the factory stuff, I went with the ZZ Performance shorty header and a 2.5 inch cat back. And I took the factory, I forget what brand it is, the muffler that was on here was straight through and was ungodly loud. I put a Dynomax by Walker on here to kind of quiet it down. So, as you can hear, it's a 2.2, it's relatively slow, not a lot of power, but man, this has been a tremendously reliable car. I've pulled a 800-pound Wave Runner with it. I pull a little utility trailer. I got 144,000 on it right now, and man, she just still ticks. I use it, keeps the miles off my cars, going to see my girl, take it mountain biking, got a bike rack on it. I have, you've probably seen, I got a aftermarket radio by Kenwood. I got 2 Phoenix Gold amps. The amp on the subwoofers is 2,500 watts. And I can't think offhand how much the mids and highs is. But I got 4 Phoenix Gold 10-inch subs in a box back there, built by my friend John Boy of Amp of America. I got Kenwood mids and highs, which I had some nice Phoenix Gold mids and highs I pulled out of the Equinox when I got rid of it that I need to put in here because they sounded incredible. And I have a Horn Blasters train horn set up, so I have a compressor and a tank down where the spare tire used to be, and I had the 4 horns mounted underneath the car. So I think I've done a video or 2 where you hear the horns. So this little car's got all kinds of surprise. I used to have a LED under light kit, but somehow I think I hit some in the road one day and it broke one of the tubes, so I did have that. But anyways, that's my HHR, and I'm going to end the vlog there, so look for another vlog to come up shortly. Hopefully by the end of the week I'll talk about what happened, my big news, and my all about 2017 and starting this channel and everything that happened. So subscribe to the channel, man. Lots going on. Like, shares, comments, always appreciated, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.